Hello guys, this is um my Comfy engine overhead valve. Um the motors I like is the John Deere or the Hondas. That's the only thing I like. And Comfy were cheapy and break easy. This is the name of the lawnmower. Um okay. I bought this a propelled lawnmower. Propelled. The only thing I don't like about it, I don't have a bag. And you guys, so some people don't like the floppy thing. That thing, like the black thing right there. This, that floppy thing. Okay, you have to have that on. Don't take it off. You have to. Cause one time I was cutting grass, and I didn't have that thing on, and the rocks and the grass was hitting me because I didn't have it on. That's why most of them have to have that on. If you don't, if you don't believe me, do it and see what happens. And that hurts. It hit my feet, the rocks and stuff. So you have to have it on. To me, it's not really a big deal. So I love to have it on. The only thing I don't like about this lawnmower, I don't have a bag. I had a discharge it and I don't have a bag. And I saw another lawnmower on YouTube that has a bag. Yeah, just like this one, it has a bag in the discharge. Um, I cut people's grass with this lawnmower. I cut people's grass as a trip. Yeah, grass. Yeah, yeah. I cut people's grass. It's pretty big. Like good sized yard. I work hard. That's what I do. And after I grow up, I'll probably own a company. Probably. I don't know. Probably. I'll own a company one day. Uh, I can start if it works. It does work. We got gas and everything. So 625 horses power torque engine. Work. Hold on, I can't. Yeah, it does work. It does. I like about it. Most Rumble has a prime things that don't have one. That's pretty good. Um, has a, this is almost new. It's a brand new lawnmower. We bought it a couple months back. A couple months. It's brand new still, so I bought it to. It was 200 something. I don't know, 200 something dollars for it. It's okay. We bought it. Last year we had another lawnmower. So it was a Honda. A Honda. So it was a little bit different. It was a Honda motor. And that kind of motor I like. So I need. I like that. Motor is not the. I don't like the. Cause, I was like this. It was broke. It broke. So I said, hell with it. It still works. The motor still works. I might just keep the motor and just sell the the deck. This deck is 21 cut. It's a pretty good deck. I don't know. It's good lawnmower. I like the kind of lawnmowers. I wish I could buy a bag. Discharge. So, oh well. It doesn't matter to me. It works. It works. You can discharge off if you want. It's a regular discharge. That's the sharp blade. I'll show you that. See, it's a good mower. There's a phone dry part. Staked. Okay. I'll put this on YouTube. I hope if you like it, let's leave a thumbs up, please. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Bye.